What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing a big Easter Sunday meal. We're going to be cooking some ham, we're going to be cooking some pork ribs, and we're going to be cooking some chicken wings right here on this Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do this Easter Sunday meal. And by the way, happy Easter Sunday to you guys. By the time you guys watch this, it's going to be past Easter, but still, happy Easter Sunday to you guys. Alright guys, so we're going to turn the power on. And we're going to open our lid. Alright guys, so today's wood flavor is going to be charcoal wood pellets from Pit Boss again. And the reason why I'm using this particular flavor again is because inside my hopper I still got some charcoal wood pellets left from my previous cook. So I'm going to use the bag to fill it up halfway just so I can finish all my meats. Alright guys, now we just had that rolling smoke just pass through. We're going to close our lid, guys, and we're going to crank our temperatures up to 300 degrees. We're just going to let that come up to temp. Alright guys, so basically what we're going to do with these ribs, we're going to hang them right there in the smoke cabinet. As you can see, we got the little hooks already hooked onto these beautiful St. Louis style ribs. We season up with some beautiful competition smoke and hickory bacon. Simple as that, no binder, no nothing like that. We just wash them up in the sink to get off any excess debris that was only from the packaging. But this is just as simple as apple pie. So we're going to throw these in the smoke cabinet and let them smoke up for a good 2 or 3 hours. And then we're going to definitely wrap them up, show them some love, add some parquet, re-season them, and then we should be able to good to go and add some beautiful barbecue sauce. And man, I can't wait. All right guys, we've been running about 305, 306 and 308 now for about good 15 minutes. And as you can see, we're sweating right here in the smoke cabinet. And look at our beautiful ribs. Oh yeah. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna open these dampers up so we can get more smoke and heat into here, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I got these beautiful ribs hanging just the way they are. I cut them in half, and these are excess fat. I guess I should have cut off, but it's alright. That's going to be flavor at the end of these cooking process. So, alright guys, we can close this cabinet up and let them rock and roll. So time to spritz our beautiful ribs that we got in here. Let's take a look at them. Oh man, they're looking pretty good, guys. We're not quite there as far as color, but we're definitely almost there. I would say about halfway mark now. So time to spritz these beautiful ribs. Alright guys, as you can see by the digital display, we've been running about 305 to 310 on the bottom grill and about 180 to 195 on the smoke cabinet. So let's take a look at our beautiful St. Louis style ribs. Oh man, oh man, take a look at that, guys. Wow, look at that brown mahogany color on all these beautiful ribs. Man, guys, we've been smoking these ribs for about 3 hours at this point. So I guess we're going to be using the 3-2-1 method or maybe 3-1-1 method. So we're going to wrap these bad boys up right now. I'm not going to show you that on film because you guys can refer to all my other previous rib videos. And it's going to be the same concept. We're just going to use some parquet, some more seasoning, and some brown sugar, and possibly maybe a little bit of agave just to give that sweet agent to these beautiful ribs and throw them back on the smoker. Okay guys, so it's time for us to place our chicken wings inside the grill. We hit them up with a little bit of McCormick's roasted garlic chicken in order for them to be marinated for about good 3 hours at this point. So it's time to place these beautiful bad boys in here. So before we do that guys, we're gonna spray it with a little bit of canola oil. Oh man, I can't wait to eat guys. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. All right guys, so we got these beautiful ribs, St. Louis style ribs that we cut in half, and now they gave that kiss of smoke from that charcoal wood pellets from pit ball. Oh man, it's gonna be so good guys. And then we got the chicken wing right there at the bottom at the grill area. So man, let's talk about the step-by-step process of what we did so far. All we did guys, that we pretty much took our ribs, we took off the membranes, we seasoned them up with some beautiful confidential smoke, that hickory bacon, and then we cut them up in half and had the hook, and we just placed them in here so we can get that smoke flavor in them. And then we're gonna take them off in a few hours once we get that mahogany brown color, and we're gonna wrap them guys. Show them some love. We're gonna add some parquet and a little bit more that season, and then we're gonna hit them with a little bit of brown sugar for that sweet agent. And with these wings, we're gonna take them to a nice crispy consistency to get that nice nutty brown color. And this is what I'm looking for, that crispy skin and that beautiful texture. We season those chicken wings with some beautiful McCormick roasted garlic chicken. Man, that's gonna be some beautiful seasoning. That's all I use for chicken guys. That's my favorite. And with the ham guys, oh man, we're just gonna hit them up with a nice glaze and definitely take them up to another level. We're gonna hit them up with a little bit of brown sugar as well guys. And that agave is going to be the kiss of that sweet thing that we're looking for. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do this. All right guys, we've been running about 307 to 310 and been fluctuating up and down, and you can see the smoke cabinet has been going up and down as well. So let's take a look at our beautiful chicken wings that's been smoking and then been marinating in this beautiful smoke, that charcoal wood pellet flavor. Oh man, take a look at that guys. Don't they look good? Oh yeah. Oh, and by the way, they've been cooking for about an hour at this point. Oh man, it's time for me to flip these bad boys over, and then we're gonna check on our ribs next. All right guys, so let's take a look at our beautiful ribs. And, ooh, that's hot. Let's take a look. Be careful as you always open these pouches guys, because it's full of steam. And let's take a gander. Oh yeah. As you can see, we got a nice pullback on these bones. I don't know if you can see that guys. They're not quite done yet, so we got a little more ways to go. So let's say another half an hour or so, and we should be good. All right, back you go. All right guys, as you can see, we're running great temperatures right now from top to bottom, and it's time to pull these beautiful wings off. Take a look at that guys. Oh yeah. And we got that nice crispy skin, I believe. I don't know if you can hear it. Yes sir. All right guys, take a look at our gorgeous beautiful spiral ham. Man, oh man. Guys, all we did is to add a little bit more flavor. We just added some hickory bacon, some brown sugar, some agave, and we definitely squirted some beautiful parquet on top of it just so it can melt into the slivers, into the slices. And it's gonna be so good guys. Oh man. So I'm gonna take this beautiful ham and place it here in the smoker. I already took the ribs that I had in here while they were still cooking into the bottom grill. And guys, while we got this beautiful ham and getting infused with that beautiful charcoal wood pellets flavor, that smoke flavor, we're gonna baste this bad boy every half an hour or so till we get that golden brown consistency, till we get to that gooey, sticky, finger licking good consistency, guys. Oh man, I can't wait. Okay guys, take a look at our beautiful St. Louis style ribs. Oh man, these are beautiful. Look at that beautiful mahogany brown color, guys. Wow. And what we did with the foil, we did a little makeshift bolt, so that way when it's time to clean up later, it makes it a lot easier. So let's do a little probe test, guys. I already done these at the grill, but we're gonna do another probe test to see how tender these ribs are. And let's go between the bones. Oh yeah, yeah baby. No resistance, that's what I'm talking about. Between the bones. Yeah, these are done, guys. Take a look at it one more time. Man, oh man. And guys, I know. We're gonna use a little, commercial barbecue sauce, which is made by Kraft Hickory Smoke. A lot of my family members like this particular brand, so we're gonna use this, just slather it on these beautiful ribs. Like I said before, you can use any barbecue sauce that you like. So we're just gonna use this particular one today. Alright guys, so we've been running about good 15 minutes on the smoke cabinet with this ham inside of it. As you can see, the parquet started to melt a little bit, and we're going to definitely baste it. As you can see on this side, we got some of that beautiful glaze for the ham, and we're going to just baste that with that. Let's take a look at a beautiful spiral ham. Oh man, take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that glistening all over it. That ooey gooey, finger licking, sticky goodness. Oh man. Alright guys, so it's time to slice up some of these beautiful meats that we have here. So we got some beautiful St. Louis style ribs. We got some chickens we've done along with our ham. Take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. So first thing first, let's take our ribs. Look at that. Look at that bones. Pull back on that. Wow. I'm just gonna slice it right down the middle. Take a look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that smoke ring. Same thing on the other side, guys. Wow. Look at that moisture. Take a look at that, guys. Oh, man, beautiful. Okay guys, so it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what, the taste testing. So I gotta do this real quick because my family's coming over for Easter dinner, and again, happy Easter to everybody. I know by the time you're watching this video, it's already passed, but nonetheless, we gotta get down right now. Without any further ado, let's get to eating. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man, beautiful ribs. Ah. Sorry. Came right there. Look at that. Clean bone. That's how you do ribs. It's phenomenal. Wow. Those two seasonings are really shining through on these ribs. Hickory bacon, competition smoke. Go get you some right now. Chicken wing. Oh man. Take a look at that. Beautifully done. Oh. You couldn't ask for a better flavor right here. And my favorite my favorite meat of all right now, especially for the holidays, is ham. Let's take a little. Oh, cheers everybody. Oh man. That glaze, that agave, that brown sugar, the hickory bacon, along with that parquet is definitely shining through in this ham. Listen, this is my twist, my style on Easter Sunday dinner, done on the Pitbull's Platinum Lockhart. Guys, make sure you go subscribe to this channel right now if you haven't subscribed yet. Share this video with all your family and friends, and until next time, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.